I am capable of greatness. I believe in myself. I love to share my gifts with the world. I hold the vision of my success in my mind. I know what my next move is. I always choose actions that support my success. People appreciate my contribution. People see me as a leader. People know they can trust me. I pursue my dreams with all of my heart. I am willing to do what it takes to achieve my goals. I have all the skills required to achieve success. I am constantly learning and growing. I strive to be the best that I can be. I act in alignment with my truth. I let my intuition and the universe guide my actions. I celebrate how far I've already come. I measure my success against my goals and no one else's. I love every moment of my day. I achieve all of my tasks with joy and gratitude. I am confident in my skills and abilities. I uncover new talents and gifts within myself every day. My thoughts and dreams manifest into reality. I attract the right people into my life. I have all that I need to achieve my goals. I achieve whatever I put my mind to. My future is bright. I am worthy of a great life. I am worthy of success.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight to the point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.